This is an invitation, and I would love for you to join me. We are going to unwrap and have a really good look at these cords of pain, these signals that are locked inside of our bodies. So we're going to be looking at many of these cords, and the first one we're going to unwrap is actually the biggest of them all. And it underlies all the other cords of pain, all the places of suffering that we find happening inside of our mind body. This is the cord of betrayal. And oh, I'm sorry to say, but it really is there in almost all of us. And we will know when we have the signal of betrayal hovering or lurking in the underground is when we sense that we have been wounded, or we haven't been honored, or been disrespected, or someone hasn't seen us or heard us or valued us. And there is a sense in our own being of pain or longing or frustration or hurt and anger. And sometimes these levels of the pain or the sadness in us are higher than what they need to be. They don't realistically fit in with the place that we're actually in. So let's look at these. Let's start unwrapping them, because we can undo them. And we're going to find out why they are, why we have them, and we're going to look at how we can actually clear these signals so that we don't have this overreactive thing happening and sparking up in moments of our lives and really messing up our relationships and our ways and our inner sense of peace and our ways of being in the world. Ah, lovely. So I hope that you can join me. Find the link, come and join the mini workshops that are going to be happening, and it will be a great benefit to you, your family, and everyone with whom you connected. So much love, and I look forward to being with you soon, heart and soul.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting